In this video, I'm going to show you how to add voice effects on TikTok. So you need to open up TikTok first, and then you want to click on the plus button. Then you want to record or actually upload your own video. Now that is done, then you click on checkmark and you can click on text first and then write whatever and then click on the text and say text to speech. Now this will only have the generic text. What you actually want to do is click on voice on the right side and then choose any of these available, or you can even record your own voice. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.